Namaskaraha. Welcome to another session on Sanskrit learning. I hope you are enjoying the sessions, and it is my privilege and honor to serve you all. Thank you. So in this lesson, we will be discussing the introductory part on the usage of verbs in the Sanskrit sentences. So let's dive into this topic. So we will see some of the verbs, how we can use in the framing of the sentences in Sanskrit. So verbs. Suppose we will take up first what. What stands for reading. So we can say aham pathami. Aham pathami. So here aham pathami means I read. So if you have to say you read, so we have to say tvam pathasi. Tvam pathasi. And if you have to say he reads, we will say saha pathati. And similarly, for she reads, sa pathati. So the same action is there, that is but there is a change of person. Change of person. Now let us discuss some other verbs. Suppose lick. Lick means to write. Similarly, we can say aham likhami. Aham likhami. And to say indicate I write. And tvam likhasi. To indicate you write. And saha or sa likhati. To indicate he or she writes. Similarly, we can use khad. We can use khad. Khad means to eat. We can say khadami. Aham khadami. Then tvam khadasi. Then सः खादति. Similarly, we can use also in case of gach. Let's see another verb, gach. Gach means to go, and similarly we can form gachami. Gachami. Gachasi. And gachati. So now you all know gachami we can use for person I, gachasi for you with tvam gachasi, and gachati for she or he, saha or sa gachati. Now there is one more interesting usage. We can use verbs with numbers. Say verbs plus numbers in a different way. Suppose we can say aham pathami. Aham pathami. Aham pathami means I read. Suppose we have to say we read. So in that case we can say avam. Avam pathabah. And in case of we all, we read here, we both read. Actually this is dual. And if we say we all, this more than two persons, we all, where there are more than two persons, so we can say vayam pathamah. Similarly, we can say you read. You know, tvam pathasi. Tvam pathasi. Now, when we want to say you both read, indicating two persons, so we can say yubam. Yubam pathatah. And when we want to say you all read for more than two persons, so we can say yuyam. Yum pathatha. Here there is no visarga sign. Similarly, we say saha pathati. Saha pathati to indicate he reads. Suppose we want to say they too read. They both read. They both read. So we can say tau pathatah. And we want to say they all read. They all read, indicating there are more than two persons. So we can say te pathanti. Te pathanti. So similarly, now you can use in case of other verbs. So here let me again recap. So I read aham pathami, we both read avam pathavah, we all read vayam pathamah. You read tvam pathasi, you both read yubam pathatah, you all read yuyam pathatha, and saha pathati, he reads, they both read tau pathatah, and they all read te pathanti. So in this way you can read these sentences again and again. So I will request you all to go over this video in repetition and use these sentences, read these sentences and use these sentences in your daily life. Then it will be more clear. So thank you again for your patience and patient hearing. So hope you learned something new. Share your moments in today's session in the comment section. So meet you in the next session. Thank you all. Namaskara.